Now let's see the types of IR sensors. Infrared sensors can be passive or active. Passive infrared sensors are basically infrared detectors. Passive infrared sensors do not use any infrared source and detects energy emitted by obstacles in the field of view. They are of two types, quantum and thermal. Thermal infrared sensors use infrared energy as a source of heat and are independent of wavelength. Thermocouples, pyroelectric detectors, and bolometers are the common types of thermal infrared detectors. Quantum type infrared detectors offer higher detection performance and are faster than thermal type infrared detectors. The photosensitivity of quantum type detectors is wavelength dependent. Quantum type detectors are further classified into two types, intrinsic and extrinsic types. Intrinsic type quantum detectors are photoconductive cells and photovoltaic cells. Active infrared sensors consist of two elements, infrared source and infrared detector. Infrared source include an LED or infrared laser diode. Infrared detectors include photodiodes or phototransistors. The energy emitted by the infrared source is reflected by an object and falls on the infrared detector. IR transmitter. Infrared transmitter is a light emitting diode which is called LED, which emits infrared radiations. Hence, they are called IR LEDs. Even though an IR LED looks like a normal LED, the radiation emitted by it is invisible to the human eye. There are different types of infrared transmitters depending on their wavelengths, output power, and response time. A simple infrared transmitter can be constructed using an infrared LED, a current limiting resistor, and a power supply. The schematic of a typical IR transmitter can be seen on your screens. IR receiver. Infrared receivers are also called as infrared sensors as they detect the radiation from an IR transmitter. IR receivers come in the form of photodiodes and phototransistors. Infrared photodiodes are different from normal photodiodes as they detect only infrared radiation. The picture of a typical IR receiver or a photodiode can be seen on your screens. Now let us see the circuit of the IR receiver. As we can see, it consists of an IR phototransistor, a diode, a MOSFET, a potentiometer, and an LED. When the phototransistor receives any infrared radiation, current flows through it and MOSFET turns on. This in turn lights up the LED and acts as a load. The potentiometer is used to control the sensitivity of the phototransistor. Principle of working. The principle of an IR sensor working as an object detection sensor can be explained using the figure shown on your screens. An IR sensor consists of an IR LED and an IR photodiode. Together they are called as photocoupler or optocoupler. When the IR transmitter emits radiation, it reaches the object and some of the radiation reflects back to the IR receiver. Based on the intensity of the reception by the IR receiver, the output of the sensor is defined.